You are always enough. Don't believe anyone who tells you otherwise. Each of us possesses unique qualities, strengths, and potential. We don't need external validation or approval to recognize our worthiness. We are complete and whole as we are, regardless of our flaws, imperfections, or insecurities. The world often tries to criticize and dictate our worth based on external achievements, appearances, or comparisons. We should reject the notion that our value is contingent upon meeting external standards or conforming to the expectations of others. We need to be kind to ourselves, to practice self-love and self-compassion, and to prioritize our own well-being and happiness. Maintaining a strong sense of self and resisting the negative influence of others helps us to trust in our own capabilities and embrace our authentic selves. We should trust our own judgment, embrace our unique qualities, and honor our personal journey. By valuing ourselves and refusing to let others define our worth, we create a foundation of self-belief that allows us to navigate life's challenges with resilience, dignity, and unwavering self-assurance.
Get inspired by ViDles, Vissu's inspirational daily lines. Follow on Instagram for more such inspiring videos.